Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have two trading strategies for binary trading, of course, on pocket options. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because at the end you can take part of my profit. Yes, and again, yes. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can increase your chances. Let's get started. So we on the broker. As you can see, I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs as usual. Today we have a OTC market, so all currency pairs have a high percentage of payments, and this is excellent reason to make some money, right? In fact, today's trading I selected the following indicators, such as alligator, fractal. These two trend indicators come with default settings, and as usual, in most cases I do CCI oscillator with a period of 10, guys. So this is the first strategy. We will be guided by the trend and also look for local highs and lows and navigate by areas of oversold and overbought. Actually, let's get started. I'm starting with 350 per trade. Let's select the first currency pair. All right, let's open a long position here. I probably should have opened a little earlier. In general, good entry point, not bad, but now a very pleasant opening level, right? The entry logic itself is extremely clear, guys. We have upward dynamics. There was a slight pullback and I saw a like a chance for a further upward movement. We have the moving line has not crossed the overbought area, right? And therefore the further dynamics of the movement is in the next minute or two should actually go up. In fact, let's look at the results. So we have 8 seconds. Yeah, first position is crap. We closed it with minus and I immediately open a second position. Same entry logic. This opening level is more than satisfactory to me. A good rollback in dynamics has already occurred. We saw earlier that there was a fairly strong price correction, and in general I think that the dynamics of the movement are now in any case should go up. So let's again wait for results. We have 25. Let's just wait. And we're in the profits. Yes, that was a bad luck with the first position, but bad timing, you know. At the end, you saw upward move, the candle showed green, and our position is in plus. So in effect, as I said, there was nothing complicated here. I will change the amount of the deal because we have a minus position, and let's continue. Okay, again, long position against the direction of the trend right now. In fact, I think that the price is now turning around and it acquires a recovery stage, something like that. We previously showed a very strong price correction. Then after updating the local price minimum, the movement went up, and the moving lines of the alligator also showed us this was shown. And after this price pullback, this one, it's not very big, but in general this pullback is enough. I think that we should still have a continuation of the upward dynamics here. So let's look at the results. We're in the profits. Even we didn't cross the overbought area of the oscillator. So in general there was also fairly simple entry here. So let's change the amount and let's continue. All right, two long positions here, guys. The situation is similar as in the last deals. Earlier, we also see a very strong downward trend, and most likely now we will have a trend turnaround. The alligator's moving lines also show us this. Here we see such a small, smooth reversal in this area. We had a flat movement dynamics, right? Small area of consolidation formed. Also here we see the intersection of moving lines, guys, which show the dynamics of upward movement. There was previously small price pullback, which actually tells us that the further dynamics should go up. Also, judging by the moving line of the oscillator, I can observe upward dynamics, and without any problems we will be in the profits right now. And yep, we're in the profits. Easy one, guys. Good trading for today. I'm really satisfied with the results. I guess we started with 700, right? And now we have $2,500 on the balance. So let me withdraw it, and then we will move to the second strategy. Alright, guys, operation successfully completed. Do not go away, wait for a second strategy. You want money? Of course. So let's move to the second one. I wish you will try this strategy. Very easy, even for OTC market. So let's move to the second strategy. Okay, guys, second strategy include next indicators. This is our done chain channel with a period of 20. As you can see, a fractal was using the default settings, and the CCI oscillator again with a period of 10. We will open trades on 1 minute time frame as before. So let's start with the 600 and select our first currency pair. Alright, I want to open here against an upward trend. Perhaps it's not quite the right entry into the trade since our dynamics of movement are sharply going down, but I can't help but open a trade here against the trend in a price rollback for the following reasons. So we have touched the bottom, our moving channel indicator. New maximum point is formed here. Accordingly, the fractal should show us this. And in this area, I see a way out of the oversold area according to our oscillator, right? So in this case, I'm opening a bullish trade. So let's look at the results for the first trade. We have 15 seconds. Let's just wait. So yes, again, our first position is a minus. I probably won't open here anymore on this currency pair as long as I see this picture of the movement. Let's continue trading and also open trade for 600. Same situation as with the previous strategy. So let me just choose nice entry. Alright, here I'll probably open the trade for an increase, an excellent entry point by the way. So let's select working area. Let's start with the fact that we touched the support area, an excellent opening level by the way. The lower moving average also touched, and in theory a new local minimum should form at this point, new extremum point. We can see from the oscillator that the fact that its moving average are also in the oversold area. So we will also expect an upward movement. Let's look at the result of the second transaction. And so easily we are in a profit. That's great. Second position with a profit. Let's change the amount. I'll put just a half of my balance. All right. All right, and again, long position here. We have 100%. Now the dynamics should go up. This is even without any indicators are clear, guys. But in general, I will explain it to you, of course, why position here needs to be open for long, despite the fact that we already have such strong impulse of price movement from 2 candles, right? Now, previously, we observed a uniform flat trend. The trend was upward. Then our dynamics of movement went downward. The formation of a new global price minimum exit from the oversold area. And all this tells me that further dynamics should go further upward. Let's watch the results. And yep, our next position is in profits. That's great. Let's set the amount. So yeah, our profit is like $400. Let's quickly increase it. I'll conduct a more detailed analysis to open a more reliable deal. So let's get started. Let's continue. Okay, without hesitation, guys, I open 2 short positions, downward positions in the direction of the trend. Our trend is downward. Let's highlight the workspace. So there has been quite a good rebound in prices here. The formation of a new local maximum, a new extreme point, and accordingly to my logic is that our further dynamics should go down. On the oscillator, we also see a crossover from bottom to top. We should have the area is overbought. So accordingly, this tradings our signal to open a bearish trade, which is what we just did. So let's just watch the results. Alright, one position close in the negative. That's not good, that's bad. Let's watch the dynamics. Let's put a 730, I guess. And open more short positions here. Our price has gone up again, and we have one deal because of this closed with a minus. Dissatisfied with this result, but I'm absolutely confident in my entry logic, so that's why I opened 2 more short positions. The entry logic remains absolutely the same, guys, so let's just watch the dynamics of movement. And we're in the profits. Our final positions, guys, is in profit. The strategy, as you can see, really works. Today's strategy is quite interesting, and trading interesting too, because we have like 3 minus positions, right? The first ones of every strategy is bad, and so yeah, the strategy works, but the timing and a bit of unluck with me today. So yeah, I'm completely satisfied with today's profits. Let's move to the conclusion. Alright, operation successfully completed, guys. Let me know what you think about these two strategies. How much your profit is your profit from this strategy, one of them. And don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. All the links below in the description. Have a good market, have a good profit. Bye bye.